I consider myself fortunate to have been invited to a function or to a seminar, the inaugural session of a seminar, which is throwing light, which I expect will throw light on a science that had developed in ancient India and is only coming to the forefront in treatment, in medical treatment. When we were children, we were told that all that happened in the past is all dead wood. As a matter of fact, if you read Jawaharlal Nehru's Discovery of India, you will find such words written. Our lives are burdened with the dead wood of the past. When we were taught such things in childhood, one day I was very surprised to discover an advertisement of the drug maker Park Davis, a world-famous company, which said that they had commissioned a series of new oil paintings on pioneers in medicine. And one of those paintings was on Sushruta. Sushruta is one of the pioneers of Ayurvedic medicine that was practiced in ancient India. And another one was of Hippocrates, who is considered to be the father of modern medicine. Now, that indicates that the company of the to place Hippocrates and Sushruta on the same pedestal, whereas we, the people who are from the land of Sushruta, did not care about the line of treatment or the science of treatment that he and others like Charaka, they had formulated. It is our good fortune that at present, through efforts such as Ayush, emphasis is being laid on Ayurvedic education, Ayurvedic research, and development of the ancient science of Ayurveda. In the meanwhile, we have seen other countries, how they have valued their ancient systems. We have seen how China has been developing its ancient science of acupuncture, with the result that for a whole lot of orthopedic and neurological problems, acupuncture is widely practiced all over the world, not just in China. Some of the aspects of Ayurveda now are accepted in modern medicine, which we also call allopathy. Particularly the pharmacological aspect of Ayurveda is today beyond question. The correctness or the efficacy of the pharmacology of Ayurveda is today Raulfia Sarpagandha. We are fortunate to be located in a state like Tripura, where we have a large number of herbs, and these herbs need to be investigated to find out to the efficacy of these as drugs. I remember once again in my childhood and student days that there was an Ayurvedic practitioner when Ayurveda was not at all fashionable, called Shivkali Bhattacharya, who used to travel in the Himalayas looking for such Ayurvedic herbs of Ayurvedic use. And he used to write regularly in papers on these things. He was an Ayurveda Charya, but not many people paid attention, except those who had belief in Ayurveda. Today, with the sort of efforts that is being given through Ayush and other means, I am quite sure that those days have changed and due emphasis is being laid. We have heard prominent practitioners of modern medicine who are seated on this side of the dais show the path of how modern medicine and Ayurveda can be coordinated, can be combined to the benefit of the general population. Ayurveda is a great inheritance that we have from ancient India, and we have to develop it. That is the key to the development of Ayurveda. And what is the key to the development of Ayurveda? As far as I can see, is research. It has to be researched. Pharmacological part of the Ayurveda is already recognized, but the other parts of Ayurveda, one of them being this Nadi Vijnana, which will be deliberated over in this seminar, will be another aspect which deserves very wide research. I had no idea about Nadi Vijnana except that in the olden days we used to hear that so-and-so has Nadi Gyan. That is to say, just by feeling the pulse of another person, he could make out what exactly is wrong with him, or at least make an educated guess. In those days, there weren't so many pathological tests that are prescribed nowadays, and doctors, even doctors practicing modern medicine or allopathy, they used to rely to a large extent on what they could feel from their clinical sense by feeling the pulse of a patient. This is certainly a field that deserves to be developed, and I am very happy that this seminar will deliberate over this question, that is Nadi Vijnana. I wish this seminar all success. Thank you very much. Bharat Mata ki Jai.